Okay, this is a crazy technique that is more, a total party trick. And you can seriously whip this out at your next birthday party, like a business function, whatever. And it starts with a slip knot, okay? I'm gonna make a slip knot and I have one ball of yarn, but I want a thicker ball of yarn because I have penguono dreams, okay? Do you all know the penguono? If not, you will. It's a penguin plus a kimono. It's a dream jacket, it's all the yarn, it's like using all your stash. It's a fantasy come true. So it's a penguin fantasy plus the kimono fantasy hybrid into sporty fashion wear, okay? And then the best part is that you flip it upside down and then you go from daytime sporty to like big collar, kimono, evening wear. It's amazing, but it needs chunky yarn, okay? I don't have that much chunky yarn, but I have a lot of yarn. I've got Aran weight, I got worsted, I have, oh my gosh, I have so much fingering weight. I have a fingering weight wall, fingering weight lockers, fingering weight bins, sock yarn organized by type, by color. Thank goodness I live alone. That's all I have to say. And so I want thicker yarn, I want chunky yarn from a thinner strand. I don't need my needle. So I have a loop, slip knot it, pull the strand, here we go. Pull the strand through your slip knot. Go, 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 go. Drop it, overlap. What's going on? Oh my gosh, I see 3 strands. What's happening? You can knit with those. Triple the strand from one ball. It's like a spinning technique. I mean, I have a spinning wheel, but I don't spin. Like, it's pretty to look at, but that's time that could be spent knitting. Okay, so I have a loop. Here's another loop. I ran out of my 3 strands. You just take that strand and pull it through the loop to get 3 strand thickness. It's so good. So you can cast on with that. Choo, 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 super chunky. And then you can knit your wildest dreams. I'm casting on, long tail cast on. I love it. Hedgehog fibers, it's so squishy. Okay, wait, oh my gosh, I'm running out. What do? I don't have 3 strands soon. I am in trouble. No, you're not. No, you're not. I'm here to rescue you. Take that loop, pull a new strand through. Wow. Wow. I've done this a lot of times, but I'm still always amazed. It's pretty cool. And it makes like this little kink, but that little kink never shows in your work. It's really cool. So you can like pre-Navajo ply. It's called Navajo plying, but I call it like slippity doodah, pass the strand through until you got enough trick. Okay, remember that. You can pre-do it or just like do an arm span, a wingspan length, and work with that until you run out. So here I'm like pre-doing it. Taking a loop, pulling that strand through. Okay, I think you got it. That's simple.